have a 2004 Mercedes CL 500. Was having a problem. The trunk would not open unless you use the key itself in the back, right there. And what I found was this little servo. I think it's called a trunk actuator servo. There's the part number. But this thing runs off air, so when you hit the button, it sends air back here to the servo, and it pushes this plunger out and releases the latch. So what I found was these little tabs is broken off. So every time you hit the button, air leaks out around this. And what I had to do to get to this point was remove this trim panel, remove your Phillips head screws out of it, and remove your trim. And then the latch itself is held on by two 30mm star bits or Torx. And I pulled it out, and that little servo just sits down in here. It just sits right here. Just push up on it and it'll pop out and unplug your vacuum line. But if your trunk ain't opening using the buttons or the remote, more than likely that's probably your problem. On the CL500 class anyway. So I figured I'd make a quick little video of my findings. I hope this helps somebody. Thank you for watching.